In the ways of the week, the time's gonna be alone.
Hi guys! Kung may naririnig kayo sa background na maingay, yung air conditioner yon, and I'm hoping na sana hindi ganun kalakas yung feedback ng tunog ng aircon pag in-upload ko na yung video. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, you guys, sobrang init dito sa Pilipinas. Kailan kaya umiyelo dito, no? Wish ko lang. Oh well. To start this look, I'm gonna start with madalas hindi ako pinipili ko na hindi ako nagsasalita sa mga videos ko kasi kadalasan maingay yung kids ko, and kung merong mga unwanted background noise din, guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako kasi sa akin maingay yung kids ko. They're my everything. Nakakatawa kaya. To start this look, I'm gonna use my favorite headband. Ang cute kasi nito. Ito yung headband na nag-twinning kami ng bunso ko. Kasi sa kanya yung sa akin. Cute, diba? Okay. So, to start this look, I'm gonna use this primer. This is illuminating primer oil from Vite and rose gold. Ginagamit ko to kapag gusto ko ng dewy na makeup look. Pinapalit ko yan sa skin ko. Pag napasobra, yan, lumigaw ko siya ng sponge para talagang lumapat sa skin ko. Dinadamay ko rin yung lips ko. Because you don't want dry lips, di ba? And I'm also gonna use this lip balm. This is by Himalaya. Favorite ko yung by Carmex, kaso laging ang hirap hanapin sa Watsons. Everywhere. So, alternative, I'm gonna use this. Sagala makeup look. Hindi ko pa na-experience yung Sagala ever. Sa tagal ko nag-modeling, 9 years, hindi ko pa na-experience yung Sagala. Tell you what, nung edad ko is nasa 14 or 15 years old ako, na tanong na ako before kung gusto kong mag-Reyna Irene sa Sagala. Pero ayaw na nanay ko. Ayaw na. I imagine Sagala makeup look as something na simple yet elegant. Ganon. So, tumingin ako ng photos sa Instagram. Ito. And mostly, sa lahat sa kanila, gumamit sila ng mga neutral brown colors sa eyelids and nude lipstick. So, I'll just try to mimic that. Okay? So, for my foundation, I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline. Super Stay. I'm in the shade 220. Neutral beige. Lang. For my concealer, I'm gonna use MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC25.
Get our shirts. We all change.
Next is I'm gonna use this Vice Duo Finish Foundation. This is in the shade Puti na Miss. And siset ko lang yung concealer sa under eyes ko.
I'm too mad because I'm funny the mad.
Set ko lang yung mga areas na nilagyan ko ng concealer. Pero ibabake ko pa yan, guys. Next is I'm gonna use Nichido final powder. I'm gonna use this BYS on the go matte, on the go palette. Set ko lang yung eyelids ko using yung shade of Fusion. And then for on my crease area, I'm gonna use the shade Wanderer and Dreamer. Sa crease area. Next is, I'm gonna use my Nude Spectrum palette from Zoeva. And I'm gonna use the shade all over my eyelid. Clear ko lang yung brown na yan, guys. Hanggang sa makuha ko na yung opacity na gusto ko talaga. I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow. And ilalagay ko lang yan dito. Sa V area. Creating like a V shape. Blend lang. Guys, kung hindi kayo sanay sa black eyeshadow, pwede kayong gumamit ng eyeshadow shield or pwede kayong maglagay ng powder under eyes kasi i-dust off nyo rin naman yan later para hindi makalat yung black eyeshadow sa face nyo. This is, I'm gonna use a bronzy color in this one. Yan. Gamit lang ako ng Fix Plus. This is by MAC. Ito yung Fix Plus Plus Gold Light. Meron siyang fine milled glitters of gold. Which is nice pag gusto mong gumawa ng mga glam look. Yan. Tapos, blend ko lang din yung edges niyan dito. Using yung brown kanina. Next is sa inner part, I'm gonna use a lighter shade of something na medyo champagne color. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this liquid eyeliner from Detail. Ito yung matte. And I'm gonna do a cut eyeliner. Magta-tight line ako using Ever Belena's I Define eyeliner. Yung shade black. Dust off yung powder. For my brows, I'm gonna use this brow soap. Lately, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung mga bushy brows. Yung hindi sobrang defined, pero mukhang natural lang na eyebrows. Brush lang natin yan pataas. Next is I'm gonna use this brow pomade from Colorette, yung Midnight Coffee. Starting on the tail of the brows. Next is I'm gonna use this eyebrow powder from Essence, using the darkest color. Lalagay ko yan sa tail lang ng eyebrows ko. A lighter color is dito banda. Next is I'm gonna use my favorite eyebrow gel from Sunny's Face. This is in the shade Warm Brown. Curl my lashes and add falsies. I'm just gonna add my falsies off camera and I'll be right back. Kung nakikita nyo pa yung lash band, patungan nyo lang yan ulit ng liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna go back dun sa brown shade kanina. Sa lower lash line. And then blend. Lalagyan ko din ng black. Pero halfway lang. Dito na. Mascara. So, lower lash line. Time for contour. I'm gonna use Gaze contour in the shade Amber. Favorite ko to lately kasi lalo mainit yung panahon natin, diba? I'm gonna use this contour palette from BYS, and I'm gonna use these two colors to bronze. For my blush, I'm gonna use Caroline's Rosy Cheek. Kung mapapansin nyo, pag naglalagay ako ng blush on ko lagi dito sa area na to. Kasi, there was a time na yung blush ko nilagay ko dito to make my cheeks rounder. Pati yung sa nose ko, nag-drunk blush ako. Tapos sinabi ng kapatid ko na si QC na hindi ko daw bagay. Hindi ko daw bagay. Nagmukha daw akong siopaw. For my highlight, I'm gonna use this one by Sleek. Creamy shade dito, which is yung antique bronze as base. And I'm gonna use this one, yung Renaissance Gold, to top that highlight. Linisin ko lang yung contour ko. And sa lips, I'm gonna use this lip liner from Vice Cosmetics. Ito yung lip liner na kasama sa velvet lipstick na in the shade Itatlago. Next is this matte lipstick, liquid lipstick from Sleek. This is in the shade Bittersweet. Top that off with this gloss from Essence. This is in the shade 29 Cute Pink. Sa center ko lang siya lalagay. I'm gonna dust off the powder. Set my makeup using Fix Plus Gold Light again. Tapos yung makeup ko, gusto ko yung dinadam ko ulit yung sponge ko para talagang manuot yung setting spray sa skin ko. And this look can last all day. If-finalize ko lang yung look ko, guys, and I'll be right back. This video is in collaboration with my makeup sister, Camille Llanos. Bago rin siya sa YouTube, kagaya ko, guys. And for our giveaway, yung first place winner ay pwedeng manalo ng 1,000 pesos and the other 3 winners will win Undercover 2 palettes with matching makeup brushes, yung in collaboration with Miss Chris Aquino. And meron din kaming mini makeup contest sa aming Facebook page on which magsasend ka lang ng favorite go-to makeup look mo, yung selfie, pwede mo yung isend sa amin and you can get a chance to win 300 pesos loan. And you guys, to be able to join sa aming giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Camille's channel, follow us on Instagram, and kailangan yung screenshot yun, guys. Isasend nyo sa amin yung proof or yung photo sa aming Facebook page, which is yung me and my makeup lover friends. Guys, open kami to do collaboration with people who are new on YouTube, whether you're a makeup enthusiast, makeup lover, makeup artist, or gusto mo lang talagang mag-makeup, send us a message. Let us know na you want to do a collaboration. Ililink ko sa description below yung link sa mga accounts ko, accounts ni Camille, and yung link para sa aming Facebook page. Announcement of winners will be on April 21st.